Good morning. Here we are for a new video. Have you ever found water on the floor in front of your refrigerator? Or even found it inside the drawer, vegetable drawer, which might have also led to the deterioration of your produce? You don't need to worry, don't panic, don't rush to call the technician. Water in the refrigerator is due to its normal operation because inside the refrigerator. On this back wall, there is a continuous formation of frost and water which drips and should flow into this channel. Said channel through this hole should drain away. The cause of your problem is definitely the fact that this hole has become blocked. Perhaps with a piece of paper, a piece of vegetable, or something else. So, to avoid this problem, you need to prevent it, which means being very careful that nothing touches the back wall of your refrigerator type, for example, vegetables or paper bags, and so on, because then when you went to retrieve, the pieces remain stuck, which with the normal flow of water go on to destroy this hole. Solution to this problem. Let's say it's very simple. Just take a wire long enough, about 1/2 meter to 60 centimeters. It must be thin and flexible. Insert it into the hole and make a back and forth motion like a brush to clean the passage. Once you have removed the obstruction, you will see that the water flows smoothly, and this will not happen again. To improve, it would be good to turn the refrigerator around. Go and see. On the motor, there is a tray where this drainage water ends up, and clean the inside of this tray. This is the advice I can give you today. See you in the next video, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.